When I first joined the university, I assumed that the library just filled with books, but actually there are so many other resources that you can unlock here. So one of them is actually the Media Creation Lab. The equipments that we offer and the spaces here, I think, are very unique.
The Media Creation Lab, it's a space where students can come to either borrow equipment or to come and use equipment inside spaces to create audio, video, 3D modeling, and virtual reality experiences. We are a very important part of helping students think critically about information.
It's also a place to gather with other people who work together. And at least for the York University Libraries, it's also a place to create content now.
A lot of people feel excluded from spaces like this because they don't see themselves represented in media, or they don't feel like they are comfortable enough or permitted to use technology. We work very hard to make our information accessible, our equipment welcoming and easy for people to use, so that everybody, regardless of their background, their fear level, their anxiety about technology or media, feels welcome and safe to be able to create.
Don't be hesitant. We're always here to help you. Stop by if you ever get the chance to. We'll always be happy to teach you.
It's a learning experience. So when you come and join this community that we have here, you essentially work as a team.
Having the access to all this equipment gives you massive room to experiment, and I completely 100% always encourage experimenting to find new things. Maybe you'll find a new passion while you're here. I know I certainly have.